Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. So, my name is Siti Gian Tubog. So, my topic is tax reporting. So, there's the types of return of the government. So, number one is income tax return. So, income tax return. So, ito yung may pruweba ka na ikaw ay fully paid. So, the proof that one has an income which tax had been paid. So, ikaw ay may pruweba na paid ka at nakabayad ka sa BIR. So, example nito is si Juan de la Cruz, isa sang teacher. So, sahod niya 300,000 and 25,000 kada buwan. So, year 2025, so ang gastos niya is SS, contribution niya is 12,000. So, pag PhilHealth na naman is 3,600. Then, pag-ibig niya is 6,000. So, ang gross salaries niya is 300,000. So, total expenses niya is 21,600. So, ang taxable income niya is 27,800. So, tax doon ay 27,840 and may 10% siya sa 27,800. So, based dun sa tax bracket niya. So, meron siyang tax credit is 25,000 to yung sahod niya kada buwan. So, net tax doon naman is 2,840. So, 27,840 minus 25,000. So, matitira is 2,840. So, ang halagang 2,840 ay na dapat na bayaran ni Juan sa BIR. So, number 2 is withholding tax return. So, withholding tax return, so, ito yung dokumento na dapat is sumite ng mga employer at negosyo sa Pilipinas. So, para may talaang na yung ibinabawas mula sa kanilang sahod ng mga empleyado at iba pa. So, example nito is ABS-CBN. So, tax period nila is January 2025. So, from BIR form, so monthly remittance. So, ang total groceries salaries paid nila is 1 million. So, total withholding nila is 100,000. So, another deduction naman nila is 50,000 dahil dun yung SSS, PhilHealth, at saka pag-ibig. So, ang net salaries paid nila is nasa 850,000. So, the company, ABS-CBN, is pay for its employee total of 1 million in a gross salaries for January 2025. So, yung company nila, another nag-deduct sila 100,000 in withholding tax from this, yung salaries based on the applicable tax rate and employee deduction. So, the company also deducts 50,000 for another mandatory contribution. So, after deducting withholding tax and another contribution, so, the employees is receive a net salary of 850,000. So, yung ABS-CBN is must remit the withheld 100,000 to the BIR bago ang 10 ng February 2025. So, number 3 is information return. So, information return, ito yung mga tax documents, business, and other entities filed with the IRS to report payments and made to the non-employees, contractors, or recipients certain types of income. So, example is from 1099 NEC. So, ito yung non-employee compensation. So, from the W2 is wage and tax statement. So, form 1098 is mortgage internet statement. So, mode of filing income tax return. So, number 1 is a manual filing system. So, typically involve our person operating or hand power device to defense measure amount of product into containers. So, example nito is gravity filing. So, ito yung pinaka simpleng paraan natin na ginagamit sa ng mga panel. So, upang ito ibuhos ng mga produkto sa mga lalagyan. So, under NIRC, number 1 is authorized bank, AAB. So, authorized bank, AAB is so ito yung mga pinansyal na itinalaga ng isang pamahalaan o regulatory body upang magsagawa ng mga tungkulin ng mga panalapi. So, example nito is a government transaction. So, kasi sa ilang mga bansa ay ang mga AAB ay autorisado na humahawak sa koleksyon ng mga buwis, ang mga pagbabayad ng pamahalaan at iba pang mga transaksyon. So, financial para sa pamahalaan. So, next, number 3 is duly authorized city or municipality treasurer if there is no BIR office in the locality. So, the BIR is the primary agency responsible for tax collection nationwide. So, gayon pa man, dahil sa mga limitasyon sa heograpiya, hindi lahat ng lugar ay mayroon nakalaan na tanggapan ng BIR. So, next is Revenue Collection Officer, RCO. So, ito yung isang empleyado ng pamahalaan or pampublikong ahensya na responsible sa pangkolekta ng mga overdue, ng mga taxes, bayarin o pagbabayad mula sa mga individual at negosyo. So, example nito, may utang na 500,000 ang isang tax paper. So, sa hindi nabayaran income taxes after na paulit-ulit na paalala, so ang BRR ay inatasan ng isang RCO o Revenue Collection Officer ng kaso. So, ang kaso yun is contacts the taxpayer via phone and schedule an in-person meeting. So, number 2 is revenue financial documents to assess their ability to pay. So number 3 is proposes a payment plan of 50,000 monthly of 12 months. So monitors compliance, so and adjust the plan if needed. So next is if payment stop, the RCO may file a tax lien on taxpayer property. So the BIR is primary agency so responsible. So number 2 is EBRR form. So BRR form, so ito yung isang sistema na binuo ng BRR sa Pilipinas to allow taxpayer to prepare file their tax return and electronically. So example nito is download and install the EBRR forms package. So create user profile with their tax identification number or TIN and another details. So select BIR form 1701 from the list of available forms. So fill out the form utilizing the software's features for automatic calculation and validation. So next is review the completed form and click submit to final copy. So next is receive a confirmation email from the BIR and pay their taxes through an authorized channel. So number 3 is electronic filing and payment system, EFPC. So the EFPC is a paperless tax filing system development and maintained by the BIR. Taxpayers file the tax return including attachment in a electronic format and pay the tax through the internet. So taxpayer mandated to use the EFPS is large taxpayers duly notified by the BIR. So 2 is top 20,000 private corporation duly notified by BIR. So top 5,000 individual taxpayer duly notified by the BIR. So number 4 is taxpayers who wish to enter into a contacts with the government officers. Number 5 is corporation with paid up capital of 10,000. Number 6 is PISA. So register entities and those located with the special economic zones. So 7 is government officers. So insofar as remittance of withheld VAT and business tax are concerned. So 8 is tax payers included in the tax paper account management program, TIMP. So number 9, accredited importers including prospective importers required to secure the importers clearance certificate, so ICC, and broker's clearance. So cer- certificate of BCC. So in case of unavailability of the EFPC during the maintenance of instances of technical errors, EFPS is enrolled taxpayers may file a manual. So there is a grouping of taxpayer under EFPS. So one is group A. So there is a banking institution, insurance and pension funding, non-banking financial intermediation, activities auxiliary or financial intermediation. So E is construction, water transport, hotels and restaurants. H is land transfer. So there is a group 2. So group 2 is manufacture and repair of furniture, manufacture of bases metal. C is manufacture of chemicals and chemical products. D is manufacture of coke, refined petroleum and fuel products.